Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can use iMessage and FaceTime on your number instead of your Apple ID. So if you want to use iMessage and FaceTime on your number, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can use your number on iMessage and FaceTime instead of Apple ID. So now let's get started how you can do that. First of all, here you will have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you will have to scroll down, then tap on general. So here tap on soft update and make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here you will have to tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here tap on sign in and security. So after that, here you can see that I have entered my mobile phone number. If you have not entered your mobile phone number on here, then here you will have to enter your mobile phone number, then tap on add it. Then here you will have to tap on add email or phone number, then tap on add phone number. Then after that, here you will have to add your mobile phone number and verify it. Then after that, confirm it. Then after that, here confirm it. Then after that, go back. Here you will have to again open setting. Here you will have to scroll down. Then here you will have to search for iMessage. So here you will have tap on messages. Then here you will have tap on send or receive. And here you can see that here my mobile phone number. Here you will have to select this from here. Then after that, here you will have to go back. Then again open here FaceTime here. So here you will have to search for FaceTime. Here FaceTime, you will have to tap on this. Then from here you will have to select mobile phone number. Then after that, you will be able to use mobile phone number on iMessage and FaceTime on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.